That's an Aswang right there. See, look at it. We're gonna see her shapeshift. That's her. That's an Aswang. Begin. I got 2 minutes of this. Deleted some videos. I did one video. There. Wait, did I delete some videos? Actually, I did. You know what this Aswang looks? This evil Aswang looks like. They are the black-eyed children grown up. I lost the micro-raptor heads of the Men in Black. But I could just bring new ones. I'm being honest. I gotta do this fast. I gotta delete more videos, but yeah, this new Men in Black. They're really the Men in Black. Evil Men in Black. There. And just in their little gargoyle children, the black-eyed children. Evil. And one more. The Aswang. They're Skeksis-like. They're evil reptilians. Humans are their livestock. There. Fight. There.